all the dignitaries on the dais, all the parents, all the teachers, and my dear students. Today we are assembled here for the celebration of 73rd Independence Day of the India. This is a coincidence that today Independence Day as well as Raksha Bandhan, both these are on same day. So combinedly, I wish you very happy Independence Day as well as happy Raksha Bandhan to you all. Dear student, today we are living in a free India. We got freedom on 15 August 1947. Right? Today we can speak, we can go anywhere, whatever we want to speak, we can deliver that one. We can express our views. So no boundaries are there. So before independence, these situations were not there. So many restrictions were there, so many boundaries were there. But after independence, we are in a free India and we are surviving, we are taking free breath in our country. So, dear student, it is my humble request to you all that whenever national anthem or whenever you see this flag, we must have to respect these national symbols. Sometimes what happens when assembly is going on or whenever parents they are coming and national anthem is going on, so at that time we must have to stand in attention. So by this only we can give respect to our national anthem flag. Okay, every Independence Day or Republic Day we used to bring the plastic flags, and as soon as this program over, we used to keep anywhere that flag. So this is not good. We must have to respect our flags. We should keep it properly. We have to take care of our national flag also. Okay. Now second thing, if you go through the history of India, you will find that our India was considered as a golden sparrow. Golden sparrow means what? Not that sparrow made of gold. It means that India were considered as the full of prosperity, wealth, health, then treasure. And meanwhile, the different invaders from the foreign countries, Mughals, French, Dutch, British, they attacked on India and they looted our treasure, wealth. At the same time, they spoiled our beauty of India. As you know that, student, India is full of diversity. We have different states, different cultures, different languages. We have different castes. Then also we are united. We have different geographical conditions also, but still we are united. If anywhere, suppose in the country, if any natural tragedy happens, we used to support that. We used to contribute our help to that people. Recently in Satara and Sangli, that flood situation is there. So throughout the country, we are helping these people. They are our people. And some school, they are helping their level. If you contribute, whatever you want to contribute, suppose pencil, pen, eraser, one atom for the student. So this will be great help for this student people also. Recently, if you already you have seen that news on news. So condition of these people or students of that Satara Sangli, it is very very critical condition is there. So it is my request to you all, parents as well as students, to help these people. Whatever you can help, you have to contribute for the help of these people. Then after few weeks, we are going to celebrate 125th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So on this occasion, as we have decided that our country has decided that we will keep our campus, our country, our school, home, each ground, everything clean and neat. So within 1 or 2 days or 3 days, it is not possible. Regularly, daily, we have to keep our campus, school building, class, home, clean and neat. Wherever you find any dirt or garbages, you must have to. Individually, if you practice this, automatically our country will become clean and neat. And this will be our great achievement. And because of this, it will be what remarkable for you all. Second thing, present condition of India. As you know that since after Independence Day, we have marching ahead daily. Recently, our aerospace program of India, it is on the top level. Our national India Space Research Organization, ISRO, they have the way they have given their performance in last few years. It is really remarkable. All the countries, they are looking forward towards the ISRO as it is great aerospace agency. Okay, then ISRO has launched Chandrayaan 1, Mangalyaan, Chandrayaan 2. Recently, if you observe that Mangalyaan, the budget of Mangalyaan, it was very low budget. Means I meant to say that if you, whatever budget for the Hollywood movie is there, below that budget, our scientists of India, they have made this Mangalyaan successful. So it is great achievement that our Indian people, they are trying to get such a great achievements. So we should create great platform for this our people, and this way only would develop our country. Secondly, recently our Indian Space ISRO, it has organized Chandrayaan 2 mission. So it is related with the moon. It is related with the moon. Just ISRO has planned to, already they have sent satellite towards the South Pole of moon, and they are going to search different discoveries and inventions. So it will be great achievement for us. Recently, our military condition of India is very good. In first 5 military, our India's name is there. Then our educational policy of India, day by day, we are improving. Different types of new educational policies we have been adopting. So, dear students, these were some achievements of the India. And secondly, I would like to again say that I meant to say that before few days, we got notice that we come to know that we have to celebrate this program here in our school campus. So within 2 or 3 days only we have prepared all this preparation. So next time whenever programs will be there, national festivals, Independence Day or Republican Day. So we on great level we will celebrate this program. Okay. So I again thanks to all, and again I wish you very happy Independence Day and Raksha Bandhan to you all. Thank you very much.